How to fix incorrect date and time on Windows PC. Here's how to fix it. First, right-click the date and time on the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, enable Set Time Zone Automatically if the option is available. If not, manually select the correct time zone from the list. If the time is still incorrect, scroll down and click Sync Now to synchronize your clock with Microsoft's time server. If that doesn't fix the issue, turn off Set Time Automatically. Then click Change next to Set the Date and Time Manually. Now enter the correct date and time, then click Change to save the settings. If your time zone still isn't correct, go back to Time and Language. Open Language and Region, and make sure your country or region is set correctly. That's it. Your Windows clock should now display the correct date and time. If this tutorial hyped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.